Old car. 30 minutes. This one, I call it a boat car because it kind of looks like a boat. This one's called a hover storm, right? Like, I actually tried testing it on water and see if it floats because, look, it looks like the jet, like the thing to make it like move and stuff, like go in the water. Like, see, it looks like a floaty. And then you get in the car. This car is from a movie called Fast and Furious, R.I.P. Paul Walker, I think. Yeah, this is a Fast and Furious car. 1970 Dodge Charger. It has like 2 wheels in the back. And it's like really tall. It's taller than some cars. Some trucks I have too. This one is 1970 Camaro. So it's like a custom car type deal. So yeah. This one's like a monster truck. Wait, I actually saw, like, if you ever watch like Monster Truck channel something, and it has like that dog car kind of. It's kind of like that, but a different color, and it doesn't have ears and a tail and a tongue and stuff. Imagine if you saw this on that car show. That would be so cool. Hot Wheels car versus the Mud Dog, whatever it's called. Dun 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 dun. This one, a 2017 Acura NSX. Ooh, I would drive this definitely. Ooh, look at that, look at that, look at that. Woo. This one is Jake Paul's car. It's Jake Paul's car, Blood Shark. Yo, Jake Paul, if you're watching this, it's your car. It's a Tesla. Bro, I want to send this to him. I want to send this to him so bad. No, I didn't know I had this. Please don't hate on me because I like Jake Paul. Some people like Jake Paul, some people like Logan Paul, some people like Rice Gum, some people like all this drama that's going on YouTube, making people famous, like, dab, okay? Yo, it kinda looks like Blood Shark. It's the same color, like the, light gray kind of thing. The tires are red, but the brake thingy isn't. Oh, I did not know I had that. It's a Tesla Model S. Yo! This one is a BMW M4. I saw a BMW M8 and BMW I8 or something like that, but this is a BMW M4. Ooh, like that gold color thing going on. This one has no name.
Hey.
Hi. Aw. I'm almost done. I only got like 100 cars to review.
Let's go. We gotta go look at the German Shepherds.
German Shepherds?
Puppies, yeah.
Why?
Two puppies.
2 puppies for what?
We'll go look at them. Grandma and puppies. Let's go check them out.
Okay. Oh, the Minecraft car. I'm gonna make a part 2.
Show them the
Should
back
I?
part. Come on, let's go.
Minecraft car. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.